Hey guys, I hope you're all doing really well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do kind of a day to night makeup. I know that pretty much all of us are at home, but I also know that sometimes getting out of your sweatpants and putting on a little bit of makeup can like really be mood boosting and can help kind of like pick you up, just little things. So I'm gonna show you how to do a really quick natural day makeup and then how to take it into the evening super easily. First, I'm gonna do some skincare. This is Burt's Bees Honey Lip Balm. What am I gonna do first? I'm gonna do this Olay Tone Perfection Serum. This is the B3 plus vitamin C. B3 is niacinamide. Actually, I'm gonna do niacinamide first from the Inky list, just because I'm breaking out. Well, I'm not breaking out, I just kind of have like, I don't know. These are still healing. Okay, now the Olay. I've really been liking this actually. It's pretty affordable and has good ingredients. Then I'm gonna use an eye cream. This is the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. And then I'm gonna use sunscreen. I always wear sunscreen, even though we're just inside, me normally in my sweatpants, but I'm gonna mix the Ulta MD UV Clear and a little bit of the Drunk Elephant D Bronzy Sunshine Drops just for like a little bit of color because I'm so pale. I am so pale. That's about the ratio that I use. The D Bronzy drops are fairly pigmented. I could have done with a bit more sunscreen actually. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with makeup. I am working with Burt's Bees for this, so all the makeup will be from Burt's Bees. They're all natural ingredients from nature. They don't test on animals. They're Leaping Bunny certified, and they're good with like responsible sourcing and responsible ingredients. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the tinted moisturizer, the Goodness Glows. This is in 2025 Natural Beige. I have a few colors of this, like from the summer. I really like this tinted moisturizer, but I just want to make sure it's the right color. I may have to mix them. That's pretty good. This is made with a green tea complex that's loaded with antioxidants. I like this because it's pretty sheer and really natural looking, but it still has some coverage. And there's also squalane in it, so you'll get like some moisture throughout the day, along with your lightweight coverage. That looks so nice. Okay, I'm gonna bronze myself up a little bit. This is the All Aglow bronzer stick. This is in Golden Shimmer. So it's quite sheer, which is nice because you can kind of build up the coverage. And I'm actually gonna put some on my eyes as well. And it's really glowy. And then you can use a brush or just your fingers. And it's kind of like a highlighter in one, kind of like enhances the natural sheen. Okay, so for brows, I'm just gonna brush them up. My eyebrows are microbladed, so in general, I don't really do anything to them. I just like to brush them up a little bit. I do have a video all on my microblading experience and follow-up and like would I do it again and all that kind of stuff, so I'll link that in case you guys are interested. Okay, just give my lashes a quick curl and then do some mascara. This is the Olay volumizing mascara. This is one of my favorite natural mascaras because I find in general they're not great, to be honest. This one is 100% natural origin, has no parabens, phthalates, petrolatum, or SLS. Actually, all of their products don't contain those bad ingredients. But you can see that it makes your lashes like nice and fluffy, which I really love. It's also good for sensitive eyes. It's ophthalmologist tested. Sensitive eyes and contact wearers. Okay, and then last for just a natural daytime look is the powder blush. I've had this for a long time. This is the Bare Peach blush from Burt's Bees. It's a bamboo powder, so it kind of like blurs imperfections and stuff. I just need my brush. And it's got honey and vitamin E to soothe and nourish. And this color is just one of my favorites ever. You can actually put a little bit on your eyelid too if you want. And this is just with a little bit of powder, so you can see it's quite pigmented and you only kind of need one go. Love this color so much. I'm gonna use the lip shimmer. This is in apricot. It's got vitamin E, shea butter, coconut, and sunflower oils, and it's got a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's not like glittery or anything. It's made from responsibly sourced mica, which is something that you need to watch out for, unfortunately, because mica is used a lot in the beauty industry, and the way that it is sourced can be terrible. But it gives like a little bit of color and shimmer, and that's it. That's the day look. Super natural, very glowing. Okay, and then before you go out, remember to wear your mask. I wanted to show you a new collaboration that I have done. This is with a small local business called Kusari, and they do mask chains, and so we teamed up to do a mini collection, and we've got 3 mask chains. This is one of them. This is just like the really simple paper clip. It is 18 gold carat plated, and you just clip them on and off. They're super easy to change with mask use because you want to be like throwing out single-use masks, or you want to be washing your masks every few times. They also come with these little, I don't even know what to call them, but basically you just clip those on and you can use them as sunglass holders for when we hopefully don't need masks anymore. Supporting a small local business, I think, is so important. And so that was something that really meant a lot to me. And I'm really proud of what we've done. So that's what they look like. So cute. And then when you take your mask off, you just go like that. This mask is Haley L. Seltzer. I forget how to say her name. I'm so sorry, Haley. She does these really cool like mouths like that. This mask is $25, super reasonably priced. I'll just show you the other 2 in the collection as well. So we've got a black chain, and I really like the chain design on this one. I really wanted to do like simple, easy stuff. This was kind of made with men in mind more, but obviously all of these are unisex and can be given to anyone or bought for anyone. But it's a matte black, which I think is really chic. I'll just show you what it looks like. Okay, this is the black. So they're just kind of like nice added accessories. They're chic, they're super practical. You're supporting local. It's owned by this woman and her partner. And then this last one is just a bit more fun. We've got this kind of like rhinestone sparkles here, but we didn't want to do the whole thing just because it can get a lot. So then you've got just like a really simple, pretty curb chain. And this is for whenever, actually. It doesn't have to be at night. It doesn't have to be any special occasion, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna be sending all of those to my friends and family. Okay, so moving on to evening. This is super quick, super easy. All we're gonna do is a few like quick steps to take a basic look from day to night. So I'm just gonna take off this lip shimmer, and I'm gonna put my hair back in a low ponytail and put some earrings on. You can even wear earrings with like sweatpants. These are old H&M earrings. Okay, there we go. So basically there are 2 steps you can do. You can do both, or you can do one or the other. I'm gonna go in with this matte lip crayon. This is in the color Napa Vineyard, and just do a quick red lip. This color is really beautiful. I love a chunky crayon. It's so easy to carry around for when we leave the house. I need to stop talking while I'm applying lipstick. Okay, so it's so easy to carry around, and B, it's just really easy to like trace on a quick lip and then fill it in. So I'm just gonna use, I've never been able, by the way, to just like put on a red lip and have it be perfect. I always have to use a Q-tip to perfect it. So don't feel bad. Yeah, that's it. This color is so good. It's almost like a satin finish. It's not too matte, and it's just such a beautiful deep red. Love that color so much. And then the other thing you can do if you want to, this is, well, all of this is optional actually, is just do a little bit of eyeliner. This is the First Bees Defining Eyeliner in Onyx, and I've been actually doing this for some of my daytime looks, but just do a tiny little flick. It almost just looks like a little extension of your eyelashes, but it's really pretty. It just kind of like brings your eyes out like that. And this is a retractable eyeliner pencil, which is so nice because you don't need to sharpen it. I hate sharpening eye and lip pencils. I don't know why. I just think it's really silly to have like an extra thing that you need to use. They also have some metallic colors. One of my favorites is this. What color is this? Gilded Sage. Nope. Obviously I have a few of them. I like the Gilded Sage, but my favorite is the Hammered Bronze. It's easy to do. A super simple smoky eye look with this actually. I will link that for you because I've done it before. And that's it. Again, the eyeliner is ophthalmologist tested and good for sensitive eyes and contact wearers. It's made with jojoba oil and responsibly sourced beeswax. And lastly, everything is made from recycled packaging. That's the super easy day to night look. The easiest way, honestly, to do a quick day to night is to tie your hair back, put on earrings, and put on a red lip. It's so easy and quick. Makes you look like you put a lot more effort in than you actually did. I'm just obsessed with this lip color. It's so good. It's like creamy, but not too like shiny. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'll show you my last little mask chain because it goes very well with this look. Obviously you want to be careful when masking up with a red lip, but that is what the mask chain looks like. And this one is $40. I'll see you soon. Bye.